What's good, my people? Back again with another one. Before I get into it completely, please like, comment, share, subscribe. Tell me what you think of all the content. Check the shorts and the full-length videos out. So we've got a slightly different box to always. I don't usually review Jordans, but this one was the biggest bargain I've had in ages, so I thought, why not? Just get straight to the sticker. Nike Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG Black White UK 10. So it's half a size up than my normal size, but it is what it is. I'll have a lid that just comes off straight away, to be honest. We've got the Jordan 1 High. So the hype on these is going, it is basically finished, if we're honest. There are some pairs maybe that still resell quite high, fair enough, but there are a lot of pairs that are not reselling quite high, just, you know, just a bit of greed. That's a topic for another video. So I'll go through the colors of this. I'm going to call them Panda colorway. We know how much the Panda colorway has been taken over the last few years. Sole is black, plain black Jordan 1 sole. Midsole is all white with the white stitching. On the back, the heel is white leather. Then we've got that long swoosh, which is white. Air Jordan logo, the Wings logo. And then we've got white behind it, so the Wings logo is in black. Then we've got leather, all black leather, all around. Toe box is obviously white. And then we've got black leather all around. Black laces. I don't know if this pair actually came with white laces originally. I got these from my outlet as a steal, so probably they took out all the laces, etc., so people don't take them. But I don't mind the black laces. I think I prefer them more anyway. Then we've got that Nike Air on the tongue, and then inside white insole, should have been black to be honest, and then that black sock liner. Really nice shoe. The price I got them for was £62.49. So under £63, which is absolute steal for a pair of Jordan 1s. Many years ago, that would be a really good price, and now it's even a really good price. You can't really get anything for £62 these days. These were from a Nike outlet, so at the time of making this video, whatever I'm saying is correct. November of 2024. No, it's October 2024. I'm getting confused. Yeah, October 2024, nearly November. So you can run to your nearest outlet if you wish to try grab a pair. My outlet had a lot of size 7s, 8s, 10s, 10.5s, 11s. I got the last 10. There was no 9.5s, otherwise I probably would have went for 9.5 because that's my normal size, but 10 is not far off, so it doesn't really matter. But yeah, I really do like the Jordan 1 High. Used to wear them years and years ago when I first got into Jordan, so around 2013. This pair, you know, very casual pair, you can just wear with whatever. That's why I like this colorway. Black and white goes with everything. I'm also kind of on the Panda hype. A lot of people act like they don't like them, or they act like they're too special for them, but I really do like the Panda colorway. So I've got the Dunks, I've got the Fat Joe Air Force Ones, same colorway, and I've got these, so 3 pairs to choose from. But yeah, I don't really have much more to say about this pair. Make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe. Wait a few moments for an on foot video. Check out all the content and take care, my people.